Airports are complex environments designed to move large numbers of people efficiently and to generate revenue from travelers who are often tired, distracted, or short on time. What's less obvious is that alongside the paid services, airports also provide a surprising number of free or low-visibility amenities that many passengers never notice. Not because they're restricted, but because they're rarely highlighted. Once you understand how these spaces are structured, airport travel begins to feel very different. You stop rushing, you stop overpaying, and you start making calmer, more informed choices. First, free water, the overlooked essential. After security, dehydration sets in quickly. For many travelers, the first thing they see is bottled water priced far higher than expected. What's easy to miss is that most major airports provide free drinking water inside the secure area. Refill stations are commonly placed near restrooms, quieter corridors, or areas designed for longer stays rather than retail traffic. They're functional, not promotional. That's why experienced travelers often bring an empty, reusable bottle through security, which is fully permitted. Once airside, they refill it at no cost. The locations vary by airport, some near gates, others closer to arrivals, but the availability is widespread. The water was always there. You just had to know where to look. Second, airport Wi-Fi often comes with time limits. 30 minutes is common, sometimes less. When access expires, paid options are presented immediately. In many cases, these limits are not technical constraints, but policy choices, designed to manage demand and encourage upgrades. Some airports track individual sessions rather than devices, which means reconnecting may occasionally reset access. This varies by airport and network configuration, so it isn't universal, but it does work in certain locations. Third, another lesser-known option, airline-specific Wi-Fi access. Some full-service carriers provide separate networks or access codes for their passengers, available at gates or customer service desks if you ask. And in large hubs, stronger Wi-Fi signals near lounges or premium gates sometimes extend into nearby public seating. The common thread is simple. Access improves when travelers ask, observe, and move with intention. Number 4. After long-haul travel, discomfort accumulates quickly. Most travelers assume relief requires paid lounge access. In reality, several major international airports quietly maintain public shower facilities open to any passenger. Airports like Singapore, Changi Airport, Tokyo Narita Airport, and Incheon International Airport offer showers with basic amenities such as soap, towels, and hair dryers. These facilities are typically located in transit zones or less trafficked levels and are not heavily advertised. If free showers aren't available, delayed or disrupted flights sometimes grant passengers temporary lounge access, especially when asked politely at service desks. Comfort exists inside airports. Number 5. After landing, fatigue makes even short walks feel long. That's when luggage cart fees often appear unavoidable. But globally, many airports provide free luggage carts as standard infrastructure, particularly in Asia and the Middle East. At airports like Incheon International Airport and Singapore, carts are freely available throughout baggage claim. Even in airports that charge, free carts may be found near less used belts, service corridors, or released upon request at information desks. Fees persist largely because travelers expect them and rarely pause to ask. Number 6. Long layovers are often treated as empty time, but several international hubs offer complimentary city or transit tours for connecting passengers. Airports in Istanbul, Doha, Seoul, and Singapore operate guided programs that take travelers beyond the terminal, sometimes including transportation and cultural stops. These services are usually labeled as transit tours, not free tours, and operate on a first-come basis. Visa requirements vary, but staff often assist with eligibility. Once travelers realize that leaving the airport, briefly and safely is sometimes encouraged, long connections stop feeling like lost hours. Number 7. Airport dining prices reflect limited competition and captive demand. But alternatives exist. Duty-free areas frequently offer food sampling, particularly in international terminals. These samples aren't meant as meals, but they can meaningfully reduce the need to purchase food when used thoughtfully. Some restaurants provide small complimentary items during quiet periods, especially at bar seating. And during disruptions, lounges and service counters may offer basic refreshments upon request. The lowest cost option in airports is often not listed on a menu. Number 8. Airports are loud by design. Announcements, movement, crowds. Yet nearly all large airports maintain quiet zones. Prayer and meditation rooms are open to all passengers, regardless of belief. Some airports, like Frankfurt Airport, even provide mats or reclining seating. Libraries and reading rooms, such as those at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport, offer low foot traffic and calmer atmospheres. Connector corridors between terminals are another overlooked refuge, built for movement rather than lingering. Number 9. For deeper rest, some airports provide sleep pods or short-stay rest units, such as those at Helsinki Airport. These are paid services, but they offer privacy, charging ports, and secure storage, a meaningful option during long delays. Number 10. Power outlets follow a similar pattern. The most crowded areas are often the least reliable. Outlets are frequently located near columns, cleaning stations, or underused gates. Staff members, especially maintenance or cleaning crews, usually know where they are. In certain airports, information desks even lend emergency chargers. Airports aren't designed to make travel comfortable by default. They're designed to manage flow, security, and commerce efficiently. But that doesn't mean travelers are powerless. Awareness changes everything. When you know where water, Wi-Fi, rest, movement, and comfort quietly exist, airport travel becomes calmer, even on difficult days. Not because rules were broken, but because they were finally understood. And once you see the system clearly, you never travel the same way again. Like and subscribe for more airport travel tips.